how to repost someone Instagram story to your story. Hello guys, welcome back to this quick tutorial video. Today I will show you that how can you repost someone Instagram story to your story. So let's get started. On this process, firstly you'll have to open Instagram app with your logged in account. So simply open the Instagram app, and now from here for the demo I will choose some random story of the followers I have followed. So I will choose this one. Alright, so this is the story, and now for the repost option, let me show you that it is available or not. So for that you will have to tap on this send icon just at the bottom right corner of the screen. So simply tap on it, and now from here you can send this video to WhatsApp, Instagram, Facebook or Messenger. So there is no any such options like you can repost this story to your story. So this option will only available to you just when your friends tag you in the story, and then you can repost that story whom you have been tagging. So from there you can repost someone Instagram story to your story. So there is no any such features to like you can repost someone story. So in the alternative method, you can as usual do a screenshot and screen record of that video or pictures on Instagram story, and then from you can upload that picture or video on your story. So this is the process. Hope this video was helpful to you, and please don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel for more quick and short tutorial like this. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.